I think everyone's expectations coming to a conference are they want to learn something new and they want to snag a few pearls that they can actually implement into their practice. For me, as a business owner, I really care about clinical outcomes and safety for my patients, but I also care about the business side, and I love that Aesthetic Next has both tracks along with an aesthetic track as well for estheticians, which is amazing. It's really well-rounded. In fact, my husband's here. He's our CFO, COO, and he's gone through the business track and has been able to capture quite a few pearls to help with our growing practice. And then on the clinical side, it's always outstanding. I think they do a really good job with getting phenomenal educators, people who are not only really dang good at what they do, but providers who are willing to share and not hold back and are phenomenal educators. So the faculty alone is really what sets Aesthetic Next apart.